Welcome back to Add Art. In today's tutorial, we're going to be drawing Santa Claus stuck in a chimney. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe to Add Art and hit the bell. When you do, you'll be the first to know when I've released new drawings like these. But get ready to give Santa a hand and we'll make a start. First, we'll begin by drawing Santa's nose, then his eyes. Put one there, one next to it. Put the pupils in. We'll give him some worried eyebrows. Sort of arch those up. Now we'll put a moustache on him. He's got a big beard, so we'll start with the moustache. Copy that on this side. And have his mouth looking a little bit worried by the fact he's stuck in the chimney. And bring his beard all the way down. Down on the other side. We'll continue that up to his hairline. Put his hat in. Bring that up and around. And up to the top, and almost like the weight of it's dragging it down, so straight. Then down to a point. Bring that back up. Put some creases in. Put a fluffy end to it. These little markings onto the fake fur. Put some detail on his beard. Okay, let's bring his arm down. We'll put that fake fur trim to it. Give him a gloved hand, gripping on, trying to push his way out of the chimney. And we'll copy that on the other side. With the arm coming down, put the trim in. Put those markings we had before. And we'll continue with his other gloved hand. Almost trying to push his way up and out. Okay, let's put the top of the chimney in. Come straight across. Take that just beyond his hand. Do it on the other side. And bring that all the way across. And up. Bring that down. And again. Let's put some creases in, make him look like he's really jammed in there. Okay, let's bring some bricks across here. Put another set of them in below. Then we'll put a line going down, leave a gap. Do the same. And then we'll offset a line. So it looks like how bricks are laid. Okay, let's put his sack of toys sat next to him. Put a bow on it. Bring that all the way down. Have it sat in some snow. Just curve move that round. Then we'll have the edge of the rooftop covered in snow. Bring that across there. And perhaps in the distance we can see some other houses. So bring the roof up and down. Bring the second wall down. We'll put a window in here. And another chimney. And one more house, even further in the distance, so a little bit smaller. We'll put a full moon in, help Santa see what he's doing. But unfortunately it's starting to snow. We'll draw these ovals, some big, some small, so they look like they're in the foreground or background. Gently drifting down at an angle. Just put them in front of this chimney. Give an impression of depth there. And there we have it, Santa Claus stuck in a chimney on Christmas Eve. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love Add Art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.